Ni deputy mweru Rigathi Gachagua na ni etikirite ati mwiri wake ndukoretwo ugiikara wega na ni anjiriirie guthie gym niguo akorwo agite kiro. Gachagua arahithuririe maria makoretwo ngoro-ini yake riria aracereirwo ni andiki a mohoro mucii gwake Karen Nairobi. Gachagua akoretwo akiingirirwo muno social media makiria mutandao-ini wa Twitter ni undu wa meikarire yake na meikirire yake ya nguo. Akenya makiuga ni agirire gukorwo agicenjia nguo ciake. Ni keiria Kenya acio aria makoretwo muingirira muno makiria ni mekirire yake ya nguo, akiuga ati hindi ya campaign arahitukagira maundu maritu, akiuga ati ndareciragia uria gucenjia nguo kana nginya uria itakiro, no areciragia uria kuiga family yake wega tondu we ni arari hatikaini hamwe na family yake ni undu wa maundu maritu akoretwo akihitukira. O hau ni erite Kenya ati ni maku witness agicenjia tondu neigirite gym niguo gute kiro kuma 94 in 3 months. Gachagua etereire kana ni athiete na mbere kuga ati ena mifango ya gucenjia wardrobe yake, koguo akira Kenya ni magukorwo magi witness agicenjia, akiuga itwa ria mbere ni kwamba ku lose some kilos, akiuga at this point alawe 94 na thutha wa kuingira gym arehe meri 3 akorwo agicenjia, akiuga ni akoya itwa ria gucenjia wardrobe yake. One niguo araugaga going forward I'll be back in the gym. I know many people have raised questions about how I dress and I want to tell them I had no luxury to think about dressing. I was caring about my life. I was in danger and I had to look over my shoulder to make sure that I live to take care of my family. Deputy Gachagua arauga arenda gukinyia kiro 8 thiini wa mieri 3. Athiete na mbere go trade at number 1 mwena-ini wa Twitter agitwo Riggy G ni undu wa gucokera miario yake hindi ya kuoya mihitwa. Ndirenda twirorere video iyo.
I, Rigathi Gachagua,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya
I will diligently
serve the people,
discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office.
May I request that we take it again, please?
To the best of my judgment.
I'm sorry, let's take it again.
Asante.
Rigathi Gachagua,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President
of the Republic of Kenya,
that I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I will at all times when so required faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will do justice to all without fear, favor, affection or ill will, and that I will not
directly
or indirectly reveal such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy.
And committed to my secrecy.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Tumpongeze kwa makofi Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais.